Hello everyone, my name is Laila Mudzalifah, number 7. I'm here will tell you guys about how to make tempe kemul. First of all, you need to prepare the ingredient and the tool. The ingredient and the tool you need is
1. Fermented soybean cake. 2. Wheat starch. 3. Wheat flour. 4. Cheese. 5. Flavor enhancers. 6. Salt. 7. Cilantro. 8. Turmeric. And 9. Garlic. To make tempe kemul, the steps you must take are: first, grind the garlic, cilantro, turmeric, and salt until smooth. Second, add the ground spice to the white flour and mix with wet starch. Don't forget to add flavor enhancers and the water little by little. Mix the dough until everything is well mixed. Now slice the fermented soybean cake. Add the chive to the mixture and make sure the oil is hot. Next, put the fermented soybean cake into the mixture and fry it until cooked. Once cooked, the tempe kemul is ready to be served. Now you can enjoy the traditional food from Wonosobo.